In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-archive emails in Outlook. If your inbox is starting to feel cluttered, setting up auto-archive can be a really helpful way to keep Outlook organized without having to manually sort through old messages all the time. Auto-archive lets Outlook automatically move or remove older items based on a schedule that you choose, which can help improve visibility in your mailbox and make it easier to focus on recent emails. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the main window to fully load. Once you're in Outlook, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Account and Application Settings area, where you can manage a variety of Outlook preferences. From there, click Options. This will open the Outlook Options window, which contains the main settings for how Outlook works. In that window, click Advanced from the menu on the left-hand side. The Advanced section includes several tools related to Outlook behavior, including message handling, exporting, and archiving. Now look for the Auto Archive section. Under that area, click Auto Archive Settings. This is where you control how often Outlook runs the archive process and what happens to older items when that process takes place. In the Settings window, you'll be able to choose the number of days between each auto-archive run. This determines how frequently Outlook checks for items that meet your archive rules. You can also select how long items should stay in your mailbox before they are archived, and in some cases, this can be adjusted using months depending on the available setting options. You'll also see an option to permanently delete old items instead of archiving them. Be careful with this setting because permanently deleted items may not be easy to recover later. If your goal is simply to reduce inbox clutter while still keeping access to older emails, archiving is usually the safer choice. If you are sure you no longer need those older messages, then permanent deletion may be appropriate. Once you've selected the settings you want, click Save to apply your changes. After that, Outlook will use your chosen auto-archive preferences moving forward. It's a good idea to review your settings one more time before saving, especially if you're working with important emails. That way, you can make sure Outlook is handling older messages exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've now set up auto-archive in Outlook to help keep your mailbox cleaner and easier to manage.